from Point Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 9 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles east of Tidal Basin to 6 nautical miles west of Mayo to near Annapolis, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
Oh.
Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, James Island, Poplar Island, Greenberry Point.